Ooh la la. What a machine, man. It's like a freaking tank. It's a freaking tank. Okay guys, so this, my friend, is the Toyota LC300 GR Sport. So this is the GR edition. GR stands for Gazoo Racing, which is Toyota's racing division. Welcome to the POV Drive review of the LC300 Land Cruiser, the legendary, the king of SUVs. So this puts out, this comes powered by a 3.3 liter V6 diesel engine, 304 horsepower and 700 Newton meters of max torque. Comes mated to a 10-speed automatic gearbox. So let's unleash this. It's like Immortan Joe unleashing his really mammoth machine. Okay, so let's go. Parking brake is released. We are in the drive mode, and let's select the mode to Sport Plus. I mean, the king of SUVs, rightly named, because this thing is a mammoth machine. It's almost like a mini bus. So first of all, it has adaptive suspension, adaptive variable suspension. So I mean, top-notch build quality. This is a benchmark in and of itself. Here in India, it costs 2.5 crores. Can you believe it? And let's see what kind of really adrenaline packing power it has on offer. Stepping on the gas. Oh boy. Oh, good stopping power, 18-inch wheels. So double wishbone suspension up front, 4-link rigid suspension at the back. All 4 disc brakes, 18-inch wheels, but I think you have the option of going with 20 inches as well. Maybe that's for the international spec. I'm not sure. You can check it out. But for 2.5 crores, I would have preferred 20 inches. You have this 360-degree camera which steps in. It has ADAS as well, working in tandem. You have 4-zone climate control. You have GR badging all around, and I love the tactile buttons for the aircon controls. That's another good thing. Of course, ventilated seats and all these things are well taken care of. You have a minuscule sunroof, not the panoramic sunroof. That's maybe because the all-wheel drive and the off-road capability of this machine. It's like a monster truck on steroids. And especially grateful to Fortune Toyota for allowing me to get my hands on this insane beast, the Hulk. If only the Hulk would own a car for himself, I am pretty damn sure it would be this one, because nothing else comes close to matching the brutal glory of that man. Such a huge machine. The length, the width, the height. That's what I'm telling you. It makes you feel that you're actually driving a monster truck in real world conditions. Hatchbacks and other SUVs in front of this look like, Lilliputs. But the king of the road satisfaction level is on another level. Oh boy. You better be careful with oncoming traffic. But again, the glass area is huge. Suspension, it'll go over anything and everything. It'll trample anything and everything in its way. That's how crazy, monstrous this machine is. Since 1951, a legacy so strong. I mean, a tale that's timeless, and a record and a lineage and a bloodline that's faultless or flawless. A symbol of reliability, trust, and credibility. Close to 75 years of pure trust and domination across various terrains. That's this mammoth machine for you. Let's switch to manual mode. Now it has a limited slip differential and differential lock for front as well as rear. So that's another good thing. Okay, now we are in first. Oh boy. Man, so the manual, you don't get paddle shifters, you do get the shifter here itself. So you got to be right on point with the shifts. So I think we are better off in the drive mode. So long as you are in the Sport Plus, it just holds the gear for longer. And everything is authentic, everything is bulletproof, everything makes you feel that you are in a iconic, legendary, timeless machine. 14 speakers immerse you in quality surround sound. You have 12.3-inch massive display. Again, as I told you, the 3D camera, the 3D view works fine. 4-zone climate control, and everything is top notch. So this is the top bird's eye view and the front view for you to checking the surroundings, and then you can choose between different. Okay, this is. So this works below 20, I think so. Yeah, this works below 20 kilometers per hour, but once you go beyond 20, it turns off for safety reasons, so that you don't get distracted. And that's as simple as that. A formula so simple yet so reliable, so dependable. Yeah, Mr. Dependable is something that you can call the Land Cruiser. You can't go wrong when you buy a Land Cruiser for yourself. You're sorted for life. It's a companion for life. It's going to take you through anything, all your phases of life, any terrain, any place you can think of, a detour into this jungle or woods or trails. You just take a detour and it's there matching up the game for you. And that's the legacy of the Land Cruiser. That's hardly sold. It's the longest production series running vehicle. Yeah, it's been continuously in production since 1951 for Toyota. Not many cars have been around for that long. So that talks about the legacy of this outstanding, immortal machine. It is an immortal in every which way. Yeah, as I told you, Immortan Joe would be proud to own one for himself, and the Incredible Hulk would find his character matching perfectly with this machine. Let's quickly turn around. Such a huge machine. You got to be very, very mindful of what's happening around you. You can easily get yourself into trouble. That's why I've come to a completely empty stretch, such that you can get a glimpse of this pure monstrosity on 4 wheels being unleashed. That to GR edition. Wow, man. It literally lifts off. Oh boy. Suspension holds up through the corner. Oh, I think good enough. Good enough for this, because you're so sitting so tall up, as if you're in a freaking truck. This is nothing short of a truck, but the cabin cooling is good. You sit like a king enthroned upon your throne. So I've had my share of fun. Yeah, I wish I had more time with this. Take it to a dirt park and explore the off-road capabilities of this. I wish Toyota organizes a proper, off-roading a session for the Land Cruiser to demonstrate what it's truly capable of today. Yeah, we're going to do a little bit of off-roading as well. So guys, we are in a bit of an off-road section. Now these are off-road trails. Now not the extensive extreme off-road trails, but dirt road patches. So we have a small trail here. So let's get going. It's still in Sport Plus. There's a little bit of slush there, but the suspension, oh god, it's like gliding over anything and everything effortlessly. Absolute pure joy here. Incredibly awesome. This thing is a massive mammoth machine. Oh, how great is that? Wow, feel like a rally driver now. Because you don't have to stop, you don't have to reduce the speed. It's just gonna take on anything and everything in its way. It's just keep propelling ahead. There's no stopping you. It's unstoppable force to reckon with. This thing is insane. Wow, the steering is perfectly weighted, and the kind of confidence this machine gives you is on another level altogether. Oh wow, what a machine. Crazy stuff. Absolutely crazy stuff. We'll turn around here. Oh wow, the wheels, the travel is amazing. Ooh la la. What a machine, man. It's like a freaking tank. It's a freaking tank.